Hi, my name's Richard from Raine and Horne, Ipswich, and welcome to number 60 Cyprus Street, North Ipswich. The block is elevated. It's a 771 square metre block. It's flood free according to Ipswich City Council records. Got a great big shed, 7.4 by 7.4 metres, powered, remote entry to both front doors. Built in approximately the 1950s, the home retains a lot of its original character, ornate cornicing, casement windows, hardwood polished floors. It has had some updates, as you can tell from this kitchen. The bedrooms, three of. All three do have robes. There is some air conditioning in the home as well. You've got a separate loo, tidy little bathroom, internal laundry, back veranda. Just a really great home to get started with. I could never. Tell me what you want. I'll be anything you need. Understandably, there might be a lot more detail that you'd like to get out of an inspection at the property or from this video. We try to squeeze as much as we can in, and I apologise if it doesn't quite cover everything. I hope it's been a little bit helpful for those of you that can get here and want to revisit the home on the on YouTube or wherever you see it. For those of you that can't get here, I hope this is a good starting point. If you've got any questions, my name's Richard Bird from Raine and Horne, Ipswich. Thank you so much for taking the time to see the video. Give me a call on 0448 418 518 anytime, and I can discuss it further with you. Take care. Hope to see you soon.